Hello guys, on this video I will show you how you can use the Telegram voice chat, the best alternatives of Clubhouse or even Twitter Spaces. You can use this area or this platform. You can come here and start a new voice chat, and you can use which account you are going to use. Continue. So this is the standard dashboard you can see. So there are a lot of options. You can use your speaker in here. You can unmute, you can mute, so you can control those of you are admin. You can leave. Also in here you can start recording by writing the term recording, and also you can edit voice title. You can add which title you want. You can also share the link with other groups or other people, anyone you want. Maybe they are listeners or maybe they can speak. You can give the mic whoever you want, and also you can add here unlimited listeners to your you can get all of these options on Telegram. You can use on iOS or on also Android, so they are more faster than Clubhouse. You can get your own stage. You can use the advantage of these platforms. So that is how you can end the voice chat also from this by here.